Hi! Welcome to Maryland HVAC Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to size a gas pipe using the longest length method. Step by step and easy to follow. Step 1. What is the longest length method? It's a way to size gas piping based on the longest pipe run from the point of delivery, PO'd, to the furthest appliance. Even if other pipes are shorter, we use that longest length to size all the pipes. Step 2. Add up the BTUs. Let's say you have a water heater that uses 34,000 BTU HA range that uses 50,000 BTU / hand a furnace that uses 100,000 BTU. Add them up. 34,000 plus 50,000 plus 100,000 equals 184,000 BTUH. Step 3. Find the longest run now. Find the longest distance from the pod to the furthest appliance. In this example, 30 plus 25 plus 10 equals 65 feet. Step 4. Convert BTUs to cubic feet. Gas tables use cubic feet per hour, not BTUH. Divide the total BTUH by 1,000. 184,000 divided 1,000 equals 184 cubic feet/hour. Step 5. Use the table. Go to the gas pipe sizing table, like table 402.41. Look across the 70-foot row. We round up from 65 feet. Find the first pipe size that can handle 184 cubic feet/hour. The answer? 1 1/4 inch pipe, and that's it. This is how you use the longest length method to size gas piping for appliances. Like and subscribe for more HVAC lessons here on Maryland HVAC Repair.